All right, taking a little bit of a break this evening from my current course on how to drive this Arduino powered tank over here using my Xbox 360 controller. And since I already have my controller JavaScript module created, I wanted to see if I could repurpose it and not just drive a tank, but also control my garage. So a couple of weeks ago, I finished up a project of revamping my garage door opener by attaching a Raspberry Pi, and it just sits and listens for messages from RabbitMQ message bus. But anyway, I wanted to, like I said, take a quick break from this course and see if I could tie my Xbox 360 controller into my garage door project. So it turns out it was really simple. And here you can see that I have a Node.js application running on my PC. There's my USB gaming receiver sitting up here so I can get a little better signal. And here's my controller that I'll be using, wireless Xbox 360 controller. And I've added code to handle the button press events for the X, Y, RB, and LB buttons. So whenever the X button is pressed, my small garage door light should toggle, and then for the Y button, it will toggle the light on my big garage door. And then the RB button will actually open and close the big garage door, and the LB button, I can't quite reach it with one hand here, but the LB button over there will toggle the small garage door. So let's see what happens here. All right, here I am in my garage with my Xbox 360 controller, and it's kind of hard to see in this video, especially due to that light there, but up there above my garage door opener, there's my Raspberry Pi. And it is tied to a 5-volt 4-channel relay, which triggers both of the garage door openers, not only the doors, but the lights attached to them. So here's the opener for my small garage door, and then there's my big door over there, and its garage door opener right over there. So you can see the wires running across. And so I'm going to give this a test run. So whenever I press the X button here, I should see the small light turn on. There it goes. If I press it again, it should turn off. Cool. And if I press the Y button here, should see this one turn on. Press it again, it should turn off. All right. Now if I press the RB button here on the back, sorry for the lighting, it's not so great out here, and especially with me recording on an iPhone, but anyway, if I press this button here, I should see this door open. All right. And since it's raining outside, I am not going to keep this open very long, but I can essentially press it again, and you will see that it closes. And my neighbor was staring at me, so I'm moving over here so I don't look like a weirdo. And just trust that the left button does the same, because I don't want them to think that I'm on drugs over here. So anyway, just a little fun for the evening. Hope you enjoyed.